Hi, it's So Kim. Welcome to my channel. Say hello in Korean. There are 19 consonants in Hangul, which I have divided into 3 groups to make learning easier. In this video, we'll focus on the first group. Let's get started. Good. Think of good sounding.
Girl,
Nu. Think of nu sounding.
noodle,
Du. Think of du sounding.
drone,
Lu. Think of lu sounding.
love,
Mu. Think of mu sounding.
moon,
Bu. Think of bu sounding.
boy,
Su. Think of su sounding.
star,
Let's review today's learning. Good. Nu. Du. Ru. Mu. Bu. Su. If you want to learn more about Hangul, please visit our website, where you can download a summary and worksheet for this video. You don't need to sign up for anything, and it's all free. So please download it and use it for your study. By now, you have learned 7 consonants in Hangul. How was it? I hope you found it enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next consonant video. 감사합니다.